Hello students, in this module we will learn about proportions. Dear students, we use ratio and proportions in map reading, making scale drawing and models, solving problems in our daily life. Let us learn what proportion says. When two ratios are equal, then we can say that they are proportional to each other, or a statement of equality of ratios is called proportion. You can see the lowest form of 6 by 10 and 48 by 80 is 3 by 5, means equal. It means they are proportion to each other. Here 6, 10, 48 and 80 are called terms of proportion, or in general if we take four proportional numbers A, B, C, D, then we can express them by three different forms, that is A ratio B double ratio C ratio D and A ratio B equal to C ratio D, and third one is A by B equal to C by D. Here double colon is used for proportion, where A, B, C and D are respectively known as first, second, third and fourth term. The first and fourth terms of a proportion are called extreme terms, and second and third terms are called mean terms. So, in A ratio B double ratio C ratio D, A and D are extremes while B and C are means. When the terms are in proportion, we can say that product of extremes is always equal to product of means. Means A multiply D is always equal to B multiply C. With the help of one example, let us understand what is the difference between ratio and proportion. In fact, ratio gives the relation between two quantities of the same kind. You can see here, Reena has 3 oranges and Tina has 4 oranges, and their ratio is 3:4. Whereas proportion is the equality of two ratios. Now Reena has total 6 fruits, 3 oranges and 3 apples, whereas Tina has total 8 fruits, 4 oranges and 4 apples. Then the ratio of oranges to all fruits that Reena has is proportional to the ratio of oranges that all fruit Tina has. That is 3:6 is proportion to 4:8. So we can say that ratio is defined as the comparison of sizes of quantities of the same unit, and proportion refers to the equality of two ratios. Second, the ratio is an expression while a proportion is an equation which can be solved. Third, a ratio represented by single colon between the quantity compared, and in proportion we use double colon or equal sign between the ratio under comparison. Let us learn how to find unknown number in given proportion. Here we have 1:2 equal to 3:x. We know that product of extreme is always equal to product of means. So 1 multiply x is equal to 2 multiply 3, that is x equal to 6. In this way we can calculate any unknown number in the given proportion. Next is continued ratio. A ratio or a proportion is said to be in continue if consequent of one ratio is antecedent of other. For example, if three numbers A, B and C are in proportion, then A ratio B is equal to B ratio C, and we know that product of extreme is always equal to product of means. So B square is always equal to AC. Next is mean proportional. If A, B, C and D are in continued proportion, then B is called mean proportional between A and C, and C is called third proportional. Let us review what we have learned in this module. Four quantities A, B, C and D are said to be in proportion if A upon B is equal to C upon D. Here A, B, C and D are called first, second, third and fourth proportion respectively. A proportion is also considered as the equality of two ratios. From the above ratio, we can say that AD equal to BC. Product AD is called product of extremes and product BC is called product of means. I hope you understand it well. In next module, we will learn types of proportion. Thank you.